So, welcome and on your cameras for this amazing journey of the life lesson from the Kabir Doha. So, welcome to the day number 3. So, we cover now exactly. So, we are cover the background of Kabir Doha. We are cover these 4 lessons, and they are the basic of everything: love and compassion. So, promise yourself now, like be a love and compassionate to everybody, because this earth is required this thing the most. Second thing is that one on the transient nature of life. If you really understand this nature, then you'll be happy in the every moment, whatever happening into the srushti or anywhere in your drushti, or in any environment actually. Please remember impermanence as the biggest teacher in the life. Embrace the beauty of the change, and because everything is changing, and that's what the life is beautiful and life is amazing. And live the life fully in the present, and that's what I call as a samadhi. That's what I call as a real spirituality. That's what I call as a secret of the life. Now, lesson number 3, power on the self-reflection. Please remember, so when Kabir talks about that one, when I just try to be, understand my own mind, and then I find out that all the gandagi, everything, bad things and whatever is there, it is in me, not in the others part. So forget about the others. They are doing their work. They are having their journey. That soul has their own karmas. So don't worry about that. But for your self-reflection, pause and reflect, cultivate the self-awareness, and embrace the mindfulness that is there. Lesson number 4 is the value of simplicity. Minimalism, simplicity, it is a next bomb into the future. Because now human being is actually running behind some big race, and at the end when he catch that rabbit, he know that when he actually catch the wrong rabbit. So please remember that one. This is what is going to be change your life. And why you want to be then catch the wrong rabbit and again start crying and just go back. Instead of that one, find the joy in the simplest things. Let go of the materialistic desires. It's okay. I'm not telling you don't have the desire. Keep it a desire. Earn the money. Do everything. Have the first class. Enjoy your life every moment. But it is not about that things is possessed to you or you are possessed that things. See, this is a very beautiful story actually, where somebody told that one this particular car ka desire is actually hold to me. Actually you are holding to that desire, not that car ka desire is holding to you. And there is no wrong in any desire, because abundance is the law of nature. But what I'm telling you that one, not on the cost of the happiness, peace, joy, and that tranquility, spirituality, not on that cost. In this world, the most costliest things are free. What is the biggest things in the world? That is the water. That is the air. But water and air, did any charge to you? Nowadays, at least water people have started charging. And even the air, there is a oxygen and everything. But how many of you understand? So these are the 4 lessons we learn. So today is the first part now. I want everybody, just now I play the recording and you've seen that one. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. My dear friend, please remember, if you fall down, something happened in wrong, or your somebody died, smashan vairagya. Like a 90% people get a detachment, and like a aparigraha, and like a sense of complete get rid of the all the materialism actually into the where in the graveyard, or where they go to the somebody's final ritual actually. But then they come back, and then again the life is and the maya is take over. But what is taking that one now? So दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में ना करे कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए, my dear friends. So we all think of the Lord when trouble is there, there is a problem. Then where you want something, the exam is there, some delivery is there, some hospital issue is there, some health issue is there, some job issue is there, some relationship is there, you are remembering the God. And never been at the peace, or when you are the prosperity, when you are doing the good and everything is going that one. But if you held our faith during the peace, then there will be no trouble, because your partner is that universal consciousness. Please remember that one. So this is a life lesson, remembering dukh mein sumiran sab kare, sukh mein kare na koi. So in difficult times, let's remember, this is a Hindi phrase actually. So remember, which means remember good during hard times, but no longer in the good times. And that's what 99% people do it exactly. So let's explore this one now. So these are the made of these beautiful words: dukh, sukh, sumiran, kare na koi. So dukh is nothing but a sorrow and the pain. Sukh is nothing but the happiness and the pleasure. Sumiran is remembering or the meditation or contemplating on that one. Kare na koi means what? That near about 99.99% people don't remember, should not do that one. When there is a good time, they don't give. If anything happen good in the life, it is because of me. Anything is bad happen, it is because of the some bad karmas, or it is because of the my naseeb, mera naseeb, or the Bhagwan ne aisa kar diya, and all these things happen. So please remember, that is not the truth. So that is not the truth. Interpret this lesson exactly. Please remember, whenever you are mindful, actually your real test happen into the pain. Can you smile when there is a pain? Can you smile when there is a problem? Can you really smile? Like you are not in the mood to do anything, but still you give your best. So you are not your mood, but you are giving your best. You are the mindfulness. You are the, it is a difficult time, or the good time, or the bad time, or the challenging time, or whatever is there. You are in the tranquility, sthita prajna, equanimity. And then that is what I can call as the biggest test, acid test. And that is what is the Bhagavad Gita, and what is nothing but the equanimity. Whole Bhagavad Gita, Kabir, Doha, everything you have to put equanimity, because life is a roller coaster ride, and that will be roller coaster ride. Even you are become a Jeff Bezos, or you become a Bill Gates, or you become a Narendra Modi, or you become a beggar, or you become some ordinary person, or you become a sannyasi. Everybody has to go this roller coaster ride. There is nobody's escape from this ride. But how many of you can have this like a Sukrat, or how many of you are like a Raman Maharshi, when it is actually has a stomach cancer, and whenever like he was in meditation, doctor comes and do the dressing and go back, nothing is painful. But when he's awake, there was a pain. But even that time, he's just to smile. Can you embrace the pain? Ramakrishna Paramahansa not able to even drink the water, but he's just smiling. So can you instead of running away from the pain, can you smile in the pain? Then can you stay the humble? Please remember, it is all is good. But now it is not like that. I am becoming something very great and something. Yes, if you love yourself and you feel you are whole, complete and perfect, everything is perfectly fine, but stay humble. And during good times, please specifically be humble. Should remain humble and not forget where we come from. Practicing mindfulness in difficult time is the biggest challenge, but actual real mindfulness happen only in the difficult time. So accept. Acknowledge and accept the negative emotions, negative problems, the challenges in the life, the things are not going as you want, your job is maybe not going into the way it want, the number of clients are not coming the way you want, whatever is happening, but can you accept it first? Then observe. Please remember how is the mindfulness is happen. This is again part of our emotional mastery also. See, nothing is permanent. Good emotions come. Sometimes you feel you are top of the sky. Sometimes you feel that one, why you are born on this earth. If sometimes you feel, okay, why this life at all? So much of pain, so much of problem, so much of issues are there in this world. Why the God said? But please remember, first is the acceptance. Acknowledge and accept the negative emotions. Then observe them. Observe the thoughts and emotion without the judgment or the attachment. Now, please remember, it's like light 1 o'clock and I have to again travel. I have to catch the flight at 2 o'clock now. So amazing, remember that one. So no rest definitely, but what you can just accept whatever is happening in the body level, mind level, spiritual level. You can observe that one, and don't have judgment or attachment to them actually, man. So a lot of times some people get a good sensation on the body and they cling to that sensation in the vipassana. But that's what is not the true vipassana. True vipassana is a mindfulness. So if you can equanimous, you are sthita prajna, you are equally treating the pain as well as the pleasurable sensation. And please remember, there is only one formula. There is a separate course which we run, Jane Do, letting go. Let it go, Jane Do. Let go of all the negative emotions and everything and focus on the present moment. The present moment is the biggest gift in the life, and the present moment is whole, complete and perfect. So please remember, this is what is very, very important. So this is the importance of staying positive in the difficult situation, and that is the power of positivity. And that's why maybe you look like your life is today very difficult, very challenging. But please remember, life is happening for you, not to the you. Please remember, this is very, very important statement. So life is always prepare you for the next battle. Life always prepare you for the next part. So remember the importance of staying positive in the difficult situation, the power of positivity. Staying positive can help us overcome challenges and find the solution to our problems. You cannot solve the negativity or the negative issues or the negative problem by into the more negative environment or more negative emotional or more negative state. Find the silver lining. By focusing on the positive aspect of a situation, you can find out the silver lining even in the darkest of the clouds. If you're getting the pure water, if you're getting the pure food, you're getting the pure air, you have the home, you have the job, you have the money, and you have the good health. Please remember, you are already the world's 20 top percent people already. I'm not talking you are the $1 million or 1 crore or 10 crores or 100 crores or 1,000 crores. No, that will be not decide. For me, the definition of success is nothing but how many times you smile in a day. It is not how much is in your bank balance. Yes, good. If there is a more in bank balance, there is a freedom. And we can enjoy that one for sure. Not about that particular part. But can you just smile even into the any of the worst situation? And hope for the future. That's what is there in our life. What is the positivity? Positivity brings you to the biggest asset of the life, and that is the hope, Asha. Asha is जीवन का foundation है. Asha is everything. All आशा पे दुनिया कायम है. So tomorrow is going to be the better day for me. On that hope, we are living the life actually, man. So positivity can give us the hope for the future and motivate us to keep moving forward. So please remember that one. Anybody can take anything from you, but nobody can take the hope from you, Asha. Please remember that Asha ki Kiran. So please remember that one, that nobody can take out from you. The challenges of staying positive during the hardship is what? Negative bias. So our brains, there is a big brain and there is a small brain, or there is an animal brain and there is a divine brain. I can just tell you that one. Today I was just learning on this stem cell therapy and the brain and a lot of neurological concept and how our like a brain functions and everything. So there is a two type of brain. One brain is always talks, this is like an animal brain, which is just talk about the pleasure and the pain. That's it. You don't understand what is good, what is bad, and what is good in the long term. So our brains are wired to focus on negative experience because that negative brain, animal brain, is more stronger and making it difficult to remain positive during the hard times. Then self-doubt. In this world, people has the self-doubt, and the day you don't have the self-doubt, your life will be transformed. So the difficult situation can trigger self-doubt and negative self-talk, but it is making it hard to stay positive in that time, and real test happen that time. And then the external pressure. So when you face with a difficult situation, external pressure from the others can make it hard to stay positive and focus on the finding the solution. So please remember that one. If you want to solve the negative problem or you have to come out of negativity, only way is that one. You have to come out of the negativity. You have to be raise yourself a little bit up, and then only you can solve the problem and the challenges and all the hardships. Now, another solution for this problem is the focusing on the gratitude. Please remember the benefits of focusing on the gratitude. Everything is gratitude. That's what Kabir is told. Sab kuch hai tera, mera kuch bhi nahi. So that is a gratitude, and gratitude will bring the transformation in the mental health, social connection, and the improved sleep. So gratitude can help reduce the stress, tension. It will increase your happiness, improve overall mental health. Gratitude, when you take thank you to anybody, I have that habit actually taking thank you always. That is my this one. And some people feel it is a sometimes fake also, but that is their problem. दुनिया के भाड़ में सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? We cannot control them, but I know it is from my heart, pure heart. So focusing on gratitude can help to build connections and strengthen your relationships, but only with the good people. Bad people don't understand even the power of the gratitude, but you are not job to judge them. Give them the love and let them go. And at the end of the day, if you improve sleep, so practicing gratitude before bed can help improve the quality of sleep and increase feeling of restfulness. So conclusion, guys. So before I conclude, now this is there. Apply the lesson to your life. This is what is very important. So now please remember, if your partner is the God himself and the universe himself, in every moment, in your loss, in your profit. See, please remember, if you are the alone, only one proprietorship or only one director in the company. Anyway, you cannot start the company with the one director. And the reason behind that one is that one only. There is a two people to absorb. If one person died, another person is there. If one person is run away, another person is there. And that is the reason there is a two directors in a private limited company. I have the proprietorship firms, I have the private limited company. So I can tell you that one. So please remember, make the partner of the God into your initiative, and then nothing to lose. So develop a daily practice of mindfulness and gratitude to help and cope with the difficult times. And the healthy habits. That's what we told: journal writing, morning journaling, afternoon journaling, night journaling. Do this one, that one. These are the healthy habits. So cultivate the healthy habits such as regular exercise, good diet, rest, and maintain the positive outlook. And you must require the accountability. I call the accountability as a 8 wonder of the world. So your accountability network, support network has to be very strong, because you will become the average of the 5 people whom you spend the maximum time. So this is from my side, guys, today. So type whatever you learn. Thank you, and you people are the action takers. God bless you all. Take care. Have a nice and fantastic day. Take care. Bye bye. There is no class till Monday now. We'll be meet on the Tuesday now. So be there. The day number 4 you will be on the Tuesday. So whatever you learn there. So thank you and bye bye, Praniti. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.